Lot S16 is a 1963 Pontiac Gran Prix with a 389 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it bid to $23,000 but did not sell on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll go to the Mecum website, and the odometer reads 89,053 miles. And exterior color is white, interior color is white. And highlights are original engine and transmission, 389 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, heavy-duty aluminum fin brake drums, 8-lug wheels, power steering and brakes, air conditioning, original interior, 1 repaint, black vinyl top, and bucket seats with center console. And they forgot to mention that it has power windows, which is an important option as well. And it looks like, to me, somebody took the trim rings off the wheels, put some white leather tires on it, tried to make it more attractive to a younger person, and apparently it didn't work. But probably been better off with white wall tires or black walls with the trim rings left on, and it would look stock then. But I guess that wasn't enough money for the seller, so he took her back home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.